Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Currently at the grocery store at ayan, naghanap na naman ng may freebie. So itong Coco Crunch na to, 170 grams, may free mask. So may Batman, may Wonder Woman, may Superman, and last but not the least, may Flash. Pero cardboard mask lang po siya. Akala ko nga at first yung face mask. And for the 330 grams, meron silang free pencil case. So ito yung kinuha natin. For pencil case to collect, yun nga lang, ang hirap, baka magka-doble-doble, pero let's see. I bought the Coco Crunch Duo which cost 200 plus pesos. Actually, minsan nabili ako dahil sa freebie lang talaga. So what I've got first is Wonder Woman. So tela po siya, hindi siya yung metal na pencil case ha. And for our second box, tantanan! Ito yung nakakaba pagka hindi mo nakita yung laman eh. Yan, doble tuloy. Kinuha ko pa naman yung isang box sa pinakadulo. Better luck next time. Hello highlighters, it's Leo here. Currently at the